Dami kong hugawers. So, white pasta. Hindi ko siguro lagyan ng tomato sauce kasi may tomato sauce na ito. Tastes good. So no need the salt and pepper because this passata I made is already has salt and pepper and seasoning plus original spices. So just need to cook it. That's it. Sarap niya. Kunti lang aking nalagay. Just me yung marimar. Pwede din lagyan ko siya ng mushroom. But the mushroom that I made. Siguro maglagay ko ng mushroom. Mushroom. Just let go. This is frozen, guys. I want more mushroom. Naku, kunti lang na ko ng maggawa pa ko ng ito. More pasta. Na short sa pasta some more. More pasta, guys, kasi parang sarap yung ating sauce or pang ano natin. So nilagyan ko din ng mushroom. So good. Some more for this. So ito yung mushroom ko. Kinat ko siya. I chop and then put it in the box. And put on the storage. Ano ba? Frozen. So na maglag tayo ng passata. Like, sauce. Lahat na. Ooh, I want a lot. A lot of sauce. More sauce. Ito yung favorite ko na spaghetti ng sauce. Cream and ayan na. Cooking cream and the passata. Moment in time. I thought I could be. Then all my dreams. Nawa ng ating mushroom, guys. Puntan sa na ako. Ito ng mushroom, kunti lang nalagay ko. Siguro boil na lang.